A euphemism is a mild or indirect substitute used when referring to something that's unpleasant, offensive, or embarrassing. Saying vertically challenged instead of short, or au naturel instead of naked, or even economical with the truth instead of lying, are all examples of euphemisms. There's one word that seems to have spawned a disproportionately large number of euphemisms. If I tell you the euphemisms, can you guess the actual word? Here they are. Throne room, chamber of commerce, little boy's room, little girl's room. Did you guess the word yet? No? Okay, here are more clues. Comfort station, cloak room, John, can, bog, thunderbox, WC, which stands for water closet. I'm sure you've got it by now. If not, the following are a dead giveaway. Loo, bathroom, washroom, restroom, crapper. Yes, these are all euphemisms for lavatory. How is crapper a mild or indirect expression? Let me explain. Crapper does not come from the word that you think it comes from. Thomas Crapper was the name of the 19th century British plumber who pioneered the design of the modern lavatory. Even the word toilet is a euphemism. Toilet originally referred to washing, dressing, and grooming oneself. But today, it essentially just means lavatory. If you want to say that you're going to the toilet in a very English, very euphemistic way, you could say that you're going to spend a penny, or that you're going to powder your nose, or even that you're going to see a man about a dog. Fetch! I'm the English Nut. Bye for now.